Hey Jessica, you're looking great out there, I must say. So I want to tell you this seminar is about showing first-time homebuyers and renters how to finally buy their own home. We'll cover how to get a $17,000 grant, 3 different zero down options, and the most important thing is the secret to builder buy downs. This can save you hundreds of dollars on your monthly payment to make it even less to buy a home in the current year than it is to rent. So if you think about it, over the next 30 years, you can own a home that will eventually be fully paid and have a fixed price and a fixed payment every year, or you can sit back in this deluge and have your rents go up 4% a year, and the next thing you know, you're paying $4,000 a month. So guys, what I would recommend, come on down to the seminar. We'll teach you how to do this, and you can possibly be in the home within 30 to 90 days. And a couple of last things. At this free seminar, you're going to get to meet one of the industry's most important people in Albuquerque. Her name is Jackie Ortiz, and she works for D.R. Horton. She'll give you all the inside scoop. And one more thing, guys, there's free pizza and raffles. We'll see you soon.